morning, students. We are back again with our chapter 4. You all know the name of the chapter, linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. In the previous lecture or in the previous video that was uploaded, we have already discussed how to make an equation from a statement. Okay, now here today we are going to discuss the second part of our exercise 4.1. The first part was just a simple question. Okay, I have uploaded or I have just sent you the PDF of the same question and we have discussed it already. So now second question in your exercise 14.1 is about convert the following equations into the standard form and identify that A, B and C. Okay, now coming back to the basics, in the first lecture itself we discussed what is the standard equation of a linear or what is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. So the standard form of linear equation in two variables, we already know that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, now here we also have to identify the values of a, b and c. First of all, let us again discuss here ax. So x is variable and a is the coefficient. Is the coefficient of the variable x. Same with the b. Y is variable, b is the coefficient, and c. You can say c. The value you can give to c or the name you can give to c is constant, and c is a real number. What do you mean by real number? Real number means it can be a negative, it can be positive, it can be in decimal, it can be fraction, it can be in root form. So these are the basic terms used in our standard equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0. इसको हम standard equation बोल सकते हैं. Standard equation or standard form. Now this is a standard form for linear equation into variables. And the examples, which examples? So the examples by which we can just denote or just put it in the form of x plus by plus c, and we can denote its a, its b, its c are as follows. We will see the examples. For example, we have an equation. We have an equation for x plus 5y equals to minus 3. So first step, convert it into standard equation. How to convert it into standard equation? That is, on the left side of the equal to, you have to put 0. So you need to shift the constant or the digits from left to the right if there are any. For example, here for x plus 5y equals to minus 3. तो यहाँ पे 0 कब आएगा? जब यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होगा. ओके, तो दैट मीन्स आपको -3 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करना है. तो अगर आप -3 को शिफ्ट कर रहे हो तो you all know that is the basic. If -3 is shifted here, the sign changes. So it would be 4x plus 5y plus 3 equals 0. Now this you can compare it with ax by plus c equals to 0. Now here if you identify the values of a, b and c, a, that means see, a means always the coefficient of variable x. x का coefficient क्या है यहाँ पे? 4. a will be 4. b again coefficient of y. So what is the coefficient of y here? 5. And c, the constant. So the constant number is 3. See, if you compare it, ax, a4x, by, b5y, c constant, c3. Okay, we will solve some more examples so you get a better idea. Suppose your equation is like 7x minus 3 by 2y minus 4 equals to 0. तो यहाँ पे हमें ax plus by plus c में कन्वर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Why? Because after here the equals to left side should be 0, equals to के left side already 0 है. Okay, now we'll see here a. So what a is 7 b minus 3 upon 2 and c minus 4. Now don't forget to mention the sign. अगर पॉजिटिव है तो प्लस लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट इफ द नंबर्स दैट यू आर सेइंग आर नेगेटिव, इट्स वेरी कंपल्सरी. आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन. इट्स कंपल्सरी टू मेंशन माइनस. इफ द नंबर्स दैट यू आर शोइंग, ओके, द नंबर्स हियर अगर वो नेगेटिव है तो वो आपको बताना पड़ेगा. अगर प्लस है कोई जरूरत नहीं है. एक और देखते हैं. सी वन मोर different type of example. 4x equals to 3. 4x equals to 3. Now what shall we do here? So first of all convert it into x plus by plus c. Equals to के left side होना चाहिए 0. So let's do it. 3 positive है तो 4x minus 3 equals to 0. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा change है. Can you see the variable y here? No. So here your a will be x, b will be 0. I am highlighting this 0. Why? Because यहाँ पे y है ही नहीं. मैं ये 0 को हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ इसीलिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो y वेरिएबल है वो प्रेजेंट नहीं है. And as y variable is not present, we'll consider it as 0. Okay, and c, as you already know, minus 3. One more thing, we'll see one more example. Now you will get a better idea. Suppose you have 7y equals to 4x. 7y equals to 4x. Again, what we can do is we will shift here 7y minus 4x equals to 0. Okay, now again see here. A क्या होगा? 7 होगा? No. A means this is the thing. ये ट्विस्ट आ सकते हैं और MCQs में आएंगे. Okay, so you need to be prepared. A क्या होगा? 7 होगा? No. A will be always the coefficient of x variable. So the coefficient of x variable here is minus 4. Minus 4. B, you have it already. Coefficient of y. And C, constant कहीं दिख रहा है? कोई नंबर कहीं पे दिख रहा है? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. So C is 0. So students, this is how you just can convert it into the form, standard form, and then you can have your A, B and C. One more type, we can clear it out here. One more thing. Suppose your equation is 4x minus y upon 4 plus 7 equals to 0. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे आपको ax plus by plus c में कन्वर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है because here you already have this 0. Okay, so now what we can do is 4x, see minus y by 4. y by 4 को आप कैसे लिख सकते हो? 1 upon 4 into y ऐसे लिख सकते हो आप? Yes, मैं थोड़ा बड़े हैंड राइटिंग में लिख देता हूँ। -1/4 into y। क्या आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो? यस, यू कैन राइट इन दिस वे। व्हाई? बिकॉज एनीथिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ। कोई भी चीज अगर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होती है तो वो नंबर वही होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल 7 into 1 7, 5 into 1 5, 9 into 1 9, same way y into 1 y, so that is why y into y minus y upon 4। तो यहाँ पे y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या हुआ? -1/4, right everyone? So here you can write 4x -1/4 y plus 7 equals to 0. So your a becomes 4, b becomes -1/4 and c becomes 7. So this is how you just can convert the equations into standard form and you can identify a, b and c. Okay, this is how you solve this type of sums. So this was a portion of the question number 2 mentioned in your exercise number 4.1। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4.1 का क्वेश्चन 2 जो है वो ये टाइप का है। क्वेश्चंस ये नहीं है, मैंने सिर्फ आपको एग्जांपल्स दिए कैसे सॉल्व करना है। क्वेश्चंस जो भी है तो पीडीएफ आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेंड यू, पीडीएफ मैंने भेज दी है। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स टुडे वी विल स्टॉप हियर। into the next lecture we'll discuss further, we'll go for exercise 4.2। I hope you all got my all the points, and if you have any doubts, you know that we always have live sessions. So everyone take care, stay safe and practice maths. Thank you everyone.